All right. Next up, we've got Maz asked, happy Friday. A little early, but I love the enthusiasm. One of my brand's products has a super high click-through rate as well, oftentimes 7 to 13% plus. But the conversions usually are quite low, 1 sale per 5 clicks or 1 per 9 sometimes. Recommendations.
This is a fun one. One of the first things I will say without knowing your specific category is these aren't bad conversion rates. That's a 20% conversion rate and a 10% conversion rate. And I'm assuming you're giving me advertising conversion rates. So for advertising, this is, I would say, pretty generic. Like this is what we see across the board. And some of our like largest brands, like retail brands, will get up to 30, 40% advertising conversion rate, but that's unusual. So I'm cautious to give advice without knowing the category, but like check out your brand metrics and compare it to category top. Category top will show you exactly what the average median conversion rate is within your category, and you can compare it directly to your own brand. So that's kind of the first thing. The second thing is if you have a 20% conversion rate, again, that is strong. So just continue to spend money on that keyword, improve your organic rank so you can focus on your overall velocity. Other than that, I'll give you the general spiel about making sure your listing's optimized, making sure your keywords are as aligned as possible, and to use keyword research to find more long tail terms that may be more precise and more profitable and a higher conversion rate for you.
Well, and I don't want to speak for Steven because he's not here, but if he was here, he would say traffic trumps conversion rates all day long. So if you have a good click-through rate, that's great. And to Destiny's point, really when you think about it, Amazon, here we are like, oh, it's like a 10, 11% conversion rate. How do I improve that? It's not bad. If you're on Shopify and you have a 2% conversion rate, you are doing better than almost everybody.
Yep.
And so, sometimes we just got to think of, we're a little spoiled, but a lot of it too is also category dependent and a lot of other factors. So